Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to buy load using Gcash. First, you need to open your Gcash application. Then click load. Then you need to select the telco of the mobile number that you are going to top up and click next. After that, input the cell phone number here and click next. Double check the number again, and if it's correct, click this one. It will show here all the list of available load promos to choose from. You can also search here for a specific load product that you want. Just choose the product and click Buy Now. It will show here all the details, including the total amount you need to pay. If everything is okay, just click this one. So that's it, load has been successfully credited to the mobile number.
That's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.